All right, today we're going to bring a REVO massage coupling, and this one actually, it's a strong suction cup that you control the actual volume of the suction, also the heat, and also there's a release mechanism. So if you guys notice, some people have done this therapy throughout ages and different cultures. Now this is supposed to be good stress reliever, circulation, and so forth. So we're going to test it out, and I'm going to show you a couple of things which you can do. So first, let's talk about how to manually control this thing. All right, first of all, you got the power on. To hold on the button, it'll turn on. This is the actual suction power, the levels. It has 1 through 11 or 12, somewhere around there, but it's very strong. Heat temperature, because this thing heats up a little bit if you want it warm, and then release in case it's too much suction for you, or it's taking too long, you just release. I'm going to demonstrate here on my hand first, and I'm going to show you automatically. Right now, I'm going to turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Right now, it's all set on level 20, but you could change them here. Level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It goes all the way to 12. So we're going to do level 1. Level 1, very quiet. So if you guys can see it, it stops automatically as soon as you end up at level 1. All right. So level 1 goes in there, and it'll automatically stop as soon as it gets enough suction. So automatically, if we want to increase the level 2, level 2, it's sucking in there. It lets go. All right. Now we're going to increase it to level 5 so I can demonstrate you how to release it. Right. So on the hand, it's releasing it automatically. It will automatically identify if there's skin in there. So it's trying to get it, but it's not strong enough. So we're going to go level 7 or 8, and there it goes. You see that? Releasing it automatically releases it, right? So if it's too much pressure for you, there's a releasing here, right? So we're going to change it back to level 1, all right? Level 1 or level 2. And if you guys can see, there is a type C that you actually have to plug it in to charge it up. So turn it off. Simple as that. So very good, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.